following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Division of Emergency Management. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Brookshire Police Department is searching for Robin Reed, a black male, 10 years old. Date of birth November 7, 2006. He is 4 feet 5 inches, tall, weighs 60 pounds, and has black hair and brown eyes. Police are also looking for Jacqueline Ballard, a black female, 8 years old. Date of birth November 1st, 2008. She has black hair and brown eyes. Police are also looking Gracelyn Shashir, a black female, 1 year old. Date of birth January 9, 2015. Police are looking for Tamara Harrison, a black female, 30 years old. Date of birth April 28, 1986. She is 5 feet 7 inches, tall, weighs 180 pounds, and has black hair and brown eyes in connection with this abduction. The suspect is driving a white 2011 Mazda 3 with a Texas license plate number of CTR 9347. The suspect was last heard from in Houston. Law enforcement officials believe these children to be in grave or immediate danger. Aya, you have any information regarding this abduction? Call the Brookshire Police Department 8281-375-5000. News Media Point OS contact is Brookshire Police Department 8281-375-5000. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Division of Emergency